Now I'm going to show you how to download and install Apache 2. For that, we have to go to the Google first and then type in Apache 2. Then we will follow this apache.org link. And from this page, we will download the Apache 2. We will download the files for Microsoft Windows as we are using a Windows 10 machine. So we are clicking on this link to get the files for Microsoft Windows. And here we will see few options, few applications. From there, we will select Apache Launch. And we also need that Visual Studio redistributable to run this application on a Windows device. So we'll go ahead and download that as well, along with the Apache 2.4. Click on this link and wait for it to finish the download. Before we install the Apache 2, we have to install that VC redistributable. So as we are running a 64-bit of machine, so we are installing Microsoft Visual C redistributable 64-bit version. And then we can click close. And we are going to unzip that Apache folder. Click extract and wait until it finishes. So it's a very easy and straightforward process to download and install Apache 2.4 in a Windows machine. It is taking quite a long time because I'm using an old PC. So we have to wait until it finishes. So in this tutorial, we will learn how to download, install Apache 2.4, and then installing PHP with this Apache 2.4. And then we will know how to install phpMyAdmin with this Apache 2.4 installation. So we are, after we finish all these steps, we are up and running and ready to do our development in PHP or any other web-based application. It's almost done. Now we have to copy and paste this Apache 2.4 folder to C drive. I am pasting it in C drive. I hope that should not take long like before it took to extracted. There you go, it's done. And now we are actually opening the command prompt. We have to open the command prompt in administrative mode so that we can install any application on Windows using the command prompt. Now I have to go to that folder using the cd command. So I have to see where the folder is. So it is in the C drive under Apache 2.4. So we are copying and pasting that folder name in the CMD terminal. So cd, normally we use this keyword to go to a directory. So we are now inside this folder. Now we have to run a command which is httpd install k install. Sorry about that. And we have to wait for a few seconds. And voila, we have to allow the access. It's done. So now we can check whether it is installed. And here in this README file, you know how to install and start the service and uninstall these application from your Windows PC. So to check whether the service is up and running, we can go to services application from this search terminal from our Windows machine, and we are firing up the service application, and from there we can see whether it is running or not. So it is not running yet, so we can click start to run Apache 2 on our system. Now we can see this up and running, and we can type localhost on our browser to see whether it is working or not. So it works. So there you go. So this is how we can install Apache 2